a more confident woman, a more confident Jaya. Kasi nga, at this age, what else do I have to prove? I've pretty much done all I could do with the career that I was given. Alam mo, meron akong sasabihin, no? Kasi hindi naman tinanong, pero parang pumasok lang sa utak ko. For the longest time, na pagtanto ko that a lot of um, people didn't really know how to categorize me. Hindi nila, ang daming beses ko na naranasan, hindi alam ang gagawin with what I have. So I was really lost for a long time. Parang, saan ba talaga ako? Ano ba talaga ako? Sino? At what kind of an artist am I really? Isa lang ang pumapasok sa utak ko. You're a singer, you're a storyteller, you have a unique voice and you have a unique style. So just work with that. You don't have to impress anybody else. If they don't want to watch you, then don't. But if they want to see something different, something flavorful, something that's not offered every day, then that is the place to go to, New Frontier. Kasi yung dating Jaya, sobrang insecure, sobrang takot, sobrang dami. Sinabi kong dami, basta kung ano man yung madami. And now that I've accepted who I am as an artist, who I am as a person, who I am as a woman, ano yung mga pinagdaanan ko, that's what makes me who I am. Na, dito ko siya talaga, dito ko siya na refine. And now, going home, hindi mawawala yung kaba. Pero ang feeling ko, mas mangingibabaw yung kilala ko na yung sarili ko. So hopefully, makilala niyo rin yung Jaya na darating dyan that have changed over the last 4 years. Yung parang na-refine lang. Mas na-refine ako. Yun lang. I thank you.